Okay, so we're going to really dig deep. Now we're looking at Scalenut. It's an AI writer, but we're going to really get into it and look at some of the advanced features and some of the functions it can do, because AI writers are everywhere. There are lots of them trying to get their corner on the market. Now, I'm not putting my badge on Scalenut forever, but for the moment, of all the ones I've used, it seems to offer some great functionality. It's got some unique tools like the cruise mode, where you can write complete articles really easily in less than 5 minutes. And it's in a reasonably realistic price point. Okay, it's not the cheapest, but it's not expensive, and it's very affordable for individual creators or for teams. Right, so Scalenut today, we're going to try and do a description. Like, I do software reviews all the time, and sometimes it is really hard writing that description. And we're going to try and write a really good one using the online review generator. If you want to try out Scalenut, have a look at the link in the description. That trial link will give you 35,000 words that you can use across a full week. That will give you enough time and enough words to really try all of the features. And there's nothing limited on it. You can try the cruise feature. You can try everything. Give it a try, and just tell me what you think in the comments. Tell me how you found it. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Here we go. Let's have a look at Scalenut. Okay, so today we're looking at Scalenut's AI Powered templates. There's a big long list of them here, and there is just about something for everything here. From video descriptions to unique value propositions, everything you can get. Just have a look at it. You'll be pretty amazed with the stuff it can do. But we're just going to focus on one now, because I want to make real-life examples of me using it so that you can work out if you can use it with your team. And I write reviews of software all the time, or I record videos, and one of the hardest bits I find, it's just a long workflow. You record the video, you edit the video, and then you've got to do your title and your description, and it takes a long time. So anything that can save me time through the process is helpful. So we're using the online reviewer template, and let's pick a piece of software called Repurpose. I've already got one video up on here, or a couple of videos. It's cool software. What it does, it automatically downloads videos from any source and reposts them to any other social media. It also saves a copy of the video on your hard drive. One of its killer features is that it can download TikTok videos without a watermark and then repost them to things like Instagram Reels. Right, so rather than me wasting time now, I'll type this. When I finished it, we'll come back and we'll show you what it does. This is not meant to do everything. AI writers, 20% of the time is what you put in. It saves you hopefully 80% of the time. But you've still got to do stuff. It doesn't just you put a word in and it writes everything. You'll see how now. Right, so let's pause it. Okay, so you can see what I've put here now. There's the product name, Repurpose. And I've said that Repurpose, repost, oh, a bit of a spelling mistake there, across social media, repost video from TikTok. So it basically just says what it does and what do I really like about the products. And then we click Generate. I've actually gone Generate more because I had a little play with it first. But here are the descriptions it's put. And you simply go through and find the one that most suit you. I was looking for a way to repost videos from TikTok, and that I use almost every day. After finding this tool and using it, I can easily repost my videos. It's easy to set up. There you go, watermark free. So it's got that keyword in. It's easy to set up workflows to repost video to any channel. The automated features make it so simple you don't have to worry about your content being copied or stolen, because the software is ultimately saves all of your content on your Google Drive. Add that to the editor. And what we're trying to look for, I mean, you can just use one paragraph. Here's a few more I generated earlier. You can generate as many as you want, all right, as long as it's within your words, and you keep on going through until you find. I love this tool. Great, same sound for me. Hard to keep track of my content. Yeah, don't worry. I always say this, do not worry. You've got to really put yourself into the real world of where we are in 2022, or whatever year it is you're watching this video. And people do not sit down and read a product description and read it all the time and go, oh, he's repeated a bit there. Maybe one person will, and they'll probably email you and complain. But most people are just going to scan through the review, make sure it reads well. And let's face it, at the end of the day, what you're trying to do with this is make a nice little article that's going to appear in the searches. That's the reality. And it's easy to read and tells you about the features. But here's where it gets clever. So we're not finished yet. So we've got our article, which is 2 paragraphs long. You should go through it and make sure that everything is okay and give it a quick scan through. But you want to add a bit to the end. You can do it a few ways. You can click on the automatic write button. It'll automatically look. You can instruct it. I can put, I love the way, and then instruct it to continue. It makes And that makes sense. Look, I put, I love the way, and it went, it makes posting my content so easy. It saved me a lot of time in the past. Oh, do you see? Right, and now here's another clever bit. Connectors. So, say I wanted to write a bit more, put another paragraph in, I could say, and start the paragraph with, in addition, additionally, plus, moreover. If I want to do a bit negative, let's go, however. I wonder if it's going to be a bit negative now. However, there are some limitations. What's weird about it saying that there? However, it doesn't currently work with Facebook is. And I wonder if it has actually been able to. This is where I wonder how clever this AI is. Because for quite a long time, Repurpose didn't work with Facebook. But it does now. So you can put a slight negative in because people always want a balanced review. Provided that, let's just try it so you can get an idea. Provided that. Yeah. They actually make sense. But I'm just going to do an in summary now. So in summary, in conclusion, I think it's a great tool for managing. So I prefer that one. And then I can put, you can download. And then I put Instruct for free here. So that's, to me, the amazing thing about Scalenut. It does seem to have a sixth sense and know what you're writing about. Of course, it's going to come up with some curveballs that aren't quite there. And you think, hey, but have a look through the article there. Let's just pause now. Can we go full screen on that? I don't think we need to. You can be able to read it. Does it make sense? If people reading that, are they going to think that was generated by AI? No. Does it sum up what this repurpose software does? Yes. And that is why I, personally, am loving Scalenut. Yeah, so there you have it. We're going to make some more videos. As I do these, I'm going to use these in the real world. That's going to be a description on my new repurpose video. And I'm going to make some videos of me doing it. And hopefully you can learn with us. We'll also look at some of the more advanced features. I think I'm actually going to be speaking to someone from Scalenut who's going to really, spend just a bit of time with me explaining everything so that I become a bit of an expert on it. But yeah, I'll try out all the features. Tell me in the comments if you've tried it out, if you try other AI software, or, have you got anything that you think is better than Scalenut? For me at the moment, it's ticking all the boxes and I'm looking at it. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. If you want to try it, 35,000 words, which is 5,000 words a day. Yeah, 7-day trial, you can really get into it and there's no limitations. You can try everything out. Enjoy Scalenut and thanks for subscribing. I'll see you soon. Take care.